you would have continued to grow toward your Creator. And you would have benefited fully from His grace. Now, maybe that would be something I should talk about grace. What does grace mean? It means God's loving kindness, His patience, His love, His gifts. Everything is a gift. Everything that we have is a gift from Him. But if you become separated from Him, you become separated from grace. Do you understand that grace is always there? Salvation is always there. You just have to accept it. Grace is always there. You just have to connect with your Creator and benefit from it. He's like a good father. If you have a good father who is kind, patient, long-suffering, wise, thoughtful, virtuous, stands for what's right, but with a twinkle in his eye, he's always going to be that way. All you have to do is draw near to your Father, and that's the way He is. And if you need something, He'll help you. Won't He? Of course He will. That's the way God is. But if you avoid Him, if you stay away from Him because you don't want to admit there's something you don't want to admit, or because you're willful, or because there's something out there that you want and you're not willing to give it up, see, then you remain separate from His blessings, His gifts. Or if you want to do it for yourself, see, if you ignore His blessing, His gift, instead you want to try to do it yourself so you can say, look what I did. See? There's just so many different ways, but the beginning of the separation from God is emotion. That's it.